A large oil slick has begun washing ashore in Southern California.
Philippine authorities are racing to contain an oil spill that
can feel the vapor in the air. California is known for its beaches, but not like this.
Oil and dead wildlife,
as well as dead birds and fish.
At the beginning, when you say hair, you say, well, what hair? Oh, but how you get hair, you know?
Hair has like super interesting properties. It's very absorbent of oils to start with. One of the reasons you have to wash your hair all the time. So this is a completely natural product, which could in that case, or could instead be used to collect all of these hydrocarbons, heavy metals, without letting go of any microplastics or anything. And it's made out of, well, hair to start with, but there are also other materials to keep the hair inside, because if the hair comes out in the water, this is something that we don't want either. The ports use, or they have these things, they need to have it, but it's mostly made of polypropylene, and this, they cannot be reused either, the ones that are made of plastic. And what happens is that they deteriorate.
So what is the planet? The planet, we need what? We need water, okay? Water today is quoted on the stock exchange. This means a lot of population don't have water to drink. We are not taking care of something that is a more valuable resource that we have in the planet, okay? So it was the first step, take care of the water, because water we need human, we need animals, and we need for plants. Without water, this planet could not be Earth.
We are recycling and reutilize human hair waste into a basic decontamination barrier, but also we decide through technology in order to have smart barrier with embedded sensor system collecting essential data of water quality. Mobile application and digital platform combining with IoT and AI technology allow us port users to track data input of the port water quality, efficiency, and take preventive measures to reduce the water contamination.
Seeing its worst drought on record. This means a series of strict measures are being taken to try and protect the water supply.
Other parts of Europe have also been suffering a winter drought, and experts warn that countries in the south are at particular risk as climate change takes effect.
What is the planet? The planet, we need what? We need water, okay? Water today is quoted on the stock exchange. This means a lot of population don't have water to drink. We are not taking care of something that is a more valuable resource that we have in the planet, okay? So it was the first step, take care of the water, because water we need human, we need animals, and we need for plants. Without water, this planet could not be Earth. At the beginning, when you say hair, you say, well, what hair? Oh, but how you get hair, you know? Hair has super interesting natural properties as a material. It is rich in nitrogen. It has a very fibrous structure that both stabilizes the soil and a key nutrient for plant growth. It has a natural ability to absorb and retain water, reducing the need for watering. It's completely biodegradable and, of course, a regenerative resource where we as humans can actively be part of contributing to the nature meanwhile reducing the waste.
Estamos haciendo unos algochonados que realmente son para la agricultura regenerativa. Intentamos poder reemplazar lo que son los químicos.
Y se reduce el gasto de agua manteniendo la humedad de la tierra.
Puede ser fútbol por varias cosas. Una porque yo, por ejemplo, en estos olivos estoy aportando unos abonos químicos, entonces esto lleva una aportación de nitrógeno que es natural y aparte de aguantar la humedad, ya no me deja de que salgan malas hierbas.
We transform air waste through a dedicated closed recycling program into a biodegradable mulch through a specific industrial process and a unique formula. The biodegradable mulch is an organic biodegradable alternative to eliminate the use of plastic products of multiple industry, offering significant economic and environmental benefits of restoring soil health, of keeping soil's humidity and reducing water consumption and CO2 emissions. For large scale, in agriculture, we have a smart mulch with embedded sensor system collecting essential data of water use, soil quality, temperature, and a mobile application and digital platform combining with IoT and EA technology to track data for farmers to easily keep track of consumption, efficiency, and environmental impact.